The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 has been a fan favorite for those looking for a unique smartphone experience like not many other phones are doing right now. I've been using this ever since it came out and wanted to put together 4 of the most refreshing and unique aspects of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, which you can't find on many other phones right now. Starting off with the big one, FlexCam. If you're someone who takes a lot of videos on the go, whether that's at cafes, on runs, at the park, or with your friends, you will appreciate this. FlexCam allows you to set up the Z Flip4 down on any surface to turn it into a camera on a tripod. And because of the improved hinges, the phone is able to stay at whatever angle you set it at. So you can easily shoot without having to worry that it may slip or your angle may change. Not only that, thanks to this and the cover screen, you can now shoot at much higher resolutions with the back camera and still see yourself while you're filming. This will significantly improve on the quality of your content while being incredibly convenient. Let's talk about FlexCam in a very specific use case to me. Top-down flat lay shots. This is what it looks like when I do it with a DSLR, and it's almost impossible for me to shoot this way with literally any other phone, except the Z Flip4. Using FlexCam, I can move my viewfinder to the top of the display so I can shoot top down while still being able to see exactly what my frame is seeing. Very, very useful for food and product photographers like myself. The cover screen. The 1.9-inch Super AMOLED display up front has some very practical uses. First off, the basics. You get all your widgets up front and a quick glance at everything going on, along with controls for music, timers, everything. In addition to that, we actually made a dedicated video about something called Cover Screen OS, which basically turns your cover screen into its very own device, allowing you to use applications, even games, right on there without ever opening your phone. Double tapping the power button lets you turn the camera viewfinder on to quickly take some shots without ever opening your phone. Unlike the Z Flip 3, this time you can capture full-size photos and not just squares. Very useful for capturing high-quality photos and videos like I talked about earlier. Lastly, let's talk about videography, specifically camcorder mode. This isn't really a feature per se as much as it is a convenient and fun thing to do. Fold your phone into the flex mode and hold it up like an old school camcorder. This allows you to shoot in a fairly stable fashion with a very nostalgic and easy to record your videos kind of way. It's pretty unique looking, I'll give you that. So there you have it, 4 of the things that I enjoyed the most about the Z Flip4 that I felt were very refreshing compared to every other smartphone I've tried recently. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you follow us on our socials because we post a lot more content over on our TikTok, Instagram Reels. So we'll see you guys in those videos. But until then, this has been Omar from ProductNation, and I'll see you again in the next video.